we're going to shoot this little sad son. Oh God, it's cold. With, drum roll please, a World Frickin' War II rifle. I'm not kidding. It's a World War II rifle. I'm gonna go show you it. It's gonna. I'll show you right here. Oh, it's so cold. We're shooting with these. I'm gonna go get a sweatshirt on and I'll be right back. Okay, well I'm back. I like kind of like a something stupid. I didn't come up with a name, but anyway, we got, oh crap, we got mainly the stuff down there. I got my sweatshirt, of course. I forgot this. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they meant to do that. Oh crap, I forgot my stuff. I'm gonna be right back.
Oh. Now push that out. Oh, okay, I got it.
Hey, do it one more time.
Oh, now, where's the safety? Right here. Okay. Okay, pull it all the way back. Hard. All the way back, hard. There we go. Now you want to load it. So you push that down there like this, same way we did before now. Watch. Put it in there like that. Put the side of my hand against that handle. It's loaded.
Yikes.
Now.
Got it? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, is that cool? Well, I'm pretty scared, but I do want to try. Try the ukulele. One more. I want to see you do it one more time.
Want to do it?
Yeah, I'm scared. I want to see you do it one more time. Ted, you do it again. And then I'm going to shoot this. Can you aim with it good?
I can. I'm so afraid, but there's a cat right there. I'm gonna load it.
Hey, hold up.
Don't get on there.
Can I move it?
Huh? Move what?
This stuff? No, it's good. Never mind. Oh, I was just like, get out of here. Oh. Like, and I was just like this. Oh crap! Oh. Oh.
Hank, you got it? Come on.
Hank.
Yeah.
Sure.
Alright.
Yeah, in that tripod when I'm ready.
Hey, I'm gonna order for you. So you got it. You don't want to stand up here.
No, I don't.
Okay, that's the safety. Safety's on. Way out. Way down. Right, about 45-degree angle. Yeah. There you go. Gotta take the safety off.
Like that?
Ready?
Okay. Woo!
Dang, Hank.
Woo!
I'll try to load it.
Okay, now I'm gonna shoot the ukulele when it's my turn. What? Mom was wondering if we're gonna kill someone. No. I just created a new instrument that we're gonna blow up in 5 seconds, so. Oh my god. That's the best ever. She just wondered if we're gonna kill someone. We're like, no. Here we go. My turn. Bam, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Woo!
I can't. My hands are cold.
Oh my gosh.
My hands are not in. Oh, there you go. Hey.
Bam. Hey, we're gonna keep shooting at it though.
Hey.
Ted's gonna nail the ukulele. Nice. Let's see this.
Oh, dude. Look at that. I nailed that, man.
My turn.
Yay.
I'm gonna shoot that ukulele now. My turn, Ted.
Music. Oh, hey. Look at the 22 too. Awesome.
Upload some stuff to your YouTube, Ted.
Too much work.
Okay, well. Find the. Am I in?
Yeah. Yay! Oh!
Let's go see. Let's go see this. Uh-oh, Grandpa's going.
Got it. Got it.
You ready? We good? Oh, let's see this. Whoa. I think me or Ted knocked the strings off. Oh yeah, this is definitely gone. Oh! I just got it off. It's hanging.
I'm gonna shoot this and we'll go on. Dude.
Oh, well, Ted.
Hey, Grandpa made the 22 into a machine gun.
What?
Yeah.
You know. Let's do that.
No, dude, it's gonna hit the tree, man.
So?
I'll get out of the way.
I'm not a tree hugger.
Work for this?
Hold up.
Let's go in.
Go ahead. Dude, that 22 like sounds like nothing. After what we've just been doing.
I nailed it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to conclude the video. My hands are freezing. I look like an alien. Cold, and whatever. So, yeah, like and subscribe down below. See the recent video.
I'm a cameraman.
See the most recent video and go subscribe. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This brings me to the conclusion of my video with World War II rifle against the ukulele, whatever. Well, yeah. So, just go subscribe. Go check out my channel and my previous vid right there. So yeah, mostly just go check out my channel and stuff. Yeah. Thank you. Go subscribe and like this video for more content.